All right. Okay, fellas. It's time to start fishing right now. It's 7 in the morning. It's like 6:30, right? In the morning, Ricardo? 6:30, huh?
Oh, yeah, 6:30.
All right, guys. It's like around 6:30, and this is another round of catfish, right? We have the first video the day before, so this is the second video of catfish. And well, I'm doing my rigging right now, so this is pretty much what I'm gonna use.
Where's your swivel?
Right here.
You have your. This is your main line?
Yeah, that's my main line.
Okay. Do you have a bead?
I do, yeah. There we go. Let me see my bead right here. Put this up.
Alright, hold this. Either the bottom or top.
Jumping.
Right there first on.
Yeah, it's on.
Then your bead.
There's my bead right here.
Then the swivel.
See the leader. This. Okay, this is the leader, guys. We're gonna use this one right here. This hook is ready for a big catfish. I had to bring my my salmon rod.
I gotta be watching, man. If a big old catfish takes my rod, man, I'm gonna be so mad.
Oh, it'll stay there.
I don't have a. I should put it up here. That's what I should. I'm gonna go grab it right now. That's what I'm gonna do.
But it'll stay there. You know, it's not gonna get rid of the hook.
Oh, but my rod will. He'll fly into the water.
Think so?
That
Yeah,
big
guys, they're big, huh?
Yeah, that big old fish yesterday was cooking.
That's true.
I never had that happen, but I don't want that to happen.
Use the knife. Look at this. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I bought those for salmon, for salmon eggs.
Nice.
You know. So.
You want to use the trout or the chicken liver?
Well, let me see. Look, guys. Let's use a chicken liver. Yeah, let's use that one. We're gonna use chicken liver, guys. And we have the trout right here. And this trout, the brother right here, he had to go to the pond and get this trout, huh?
Nah.
Yeah?
Yeah, but man, Lenny, we shouldn't put that part.
What?
Because people get mad.
Oh, well, don't worry. I'm gonna edit it.
Edit it out, because
yeah, no worries.
People were saying yesterday or the other day, like, if we had to freeze them, I should have frozen. But I didn't want to freeze them. I don't have space in my freezer.
Yeah. All right, guys. We're using a liver, chicken liver. See? Oh, it looks sexy.
Nice. Huh?
So now let's cast.
You're ready, man.
Let me roll this in. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'm ready for a big fish. What is this right here? Ooh, nice cast. Nice. Boop. Ready, rumble. Now, let's just wait. Put this right over here and wait for this big dude. What do you say about the chicken liver? But we have trout bait too. So now, for now, we're gonna try the chicken liver. Then I'm gonna switch up to trout.
Yeah. Found the spot, huh?
Yeah.
Because if you
look, if that fish bites,
it'll go like this.
It'll go like this. It'll bend.
It'll go like this, hun. It'll stay in there because you have it in a good
Yeah,
spot.
yeah. I'm gonna have to go get more of those hooks, bro. At the
Yeah, I mean,
sports,
I know how to do that. I know how to do that loop. And
yeah, I know.
I have all those hooks.
But I don't like to do them, bro. I like to get them ready.
That's the thing. I don't like to get them ready because you see how the string was twirled up like that, and so it's not like stretched out.
It'll get like that in the water.
It will, but you have to wait. So right now in the water, it's probably going like this. But
let's see what's up. All right, guys, we got a fish over here. Finally, we have one. Oh, that's a big monster! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Oh, that's a monster! Oh, guys, look at that monster! Oh yeah, the one of the year. Let me see the body right here. Let me see the body. Oh, that's a monster. There. Wow. Why it didn't Jane?
we weren't watching. It did.
Huh?
It did. We weren't watching.
We wasn't?
No, we were over there.
No way. Oh,
Ready?
man. Yeah, pick it up.
Wait, back up.
Pick it up.
Back up a little. Take a show.
Look at guys. Look at that dude over there. Look at that, guys. Woo.
Now comment below how big you think he is.
Look at that.
How much you think he weighs? Look at that.
Oh man, it's a pretty
not my
big.
biggest one here, but he's nice.
Clean it. Put it in the water. Dude, look at bro. They're over here, guys. Man, we were honestly, guys, look, put it right there. Look. Honestly, guys, we were doing a video, right, about the trash, you know, because a lot of people, you know, throw trash over here and they don't pick up the trash. And then we had the rod over here, you know, ready, and we didn't know the fish yanked the line, right? It did it, right? And we didn't see it, right? We didn't see it, and then he was getting ready. He was getting ready to go home right now. We were getting ready, and then boom, he ended up a fish right there in the hook, you know? Man, I'm so happy. I am so happy, buddy. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to have to get the hook out in a second, but...
Let me see. Oh, yeah. Here, they're right here. Oh.
That right there, Lenny? Ready? Oh, is it recording?
Yeah, it's recorded. Look at guys. Woo! Big guy. Man, we came for this guy, man. We need we're gonna release him, right?
Yeah. It's just that one's pregnant. I want to be careful with her because she's gonna have babies.
Yeah, it's gonna have baby, huh?
Yeah, for the future, you know.
It's gonna spawn,
so we
huh?
can catch more here. Hey, you want to record me a little bit for my little TikToks and all that?
TikToker.
Little, if I can show all my friends at work.
There you go.
Record it?
Yeah.
I'll take the pictures from it later, but.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
Back up a little.
There we go.
You know, so you can see me in it.
There we go. There we go. That's a big dude, huh?
Yes, sir.
Big dude, guys. Bro.
I need my pliers.
Man,
You have your
forgot to bring them.
No, I have them in my bag.
You have them?
Yeah.
You want me to go get them?
Maybe.
Look how huge is it?
I don't know, Lenny. I think I got one over here too.
What? Another fish? You got another one?
No, I'll wait. I'll wait. Hold on.
Big, guys. Patience is all about patience. Look, guys, as I was saying, you know, I was just cleaning, you know, because people leave a lot of trash over here on those spots right here. And then we were ready to pack up and leave home. And then my friend, you know, he was reeling in his rod. And well, end up a fish over there in the hook. You know, we didn't see when the fish yanked. You know, we didn't see when the fish yanked. So, you know, thanks God we had this dude already there. Like, oh. Damn. Let's give him a little bit of water. She's gonna spawn. Oh man.
Whenever I can get this hook out.
She was ready to spawn, huh? You don't have a fish over there?
Damn.
Oh man. Get it from there. No, get it from here. From here. From here. From here. Yeah. From there. Up, yeah. Let's give her some water so she can breathe. Damn, beautiful. Oh, she's spraying it, dude. She's spraying it. You see. How many pounds do you think it is?
I think it's a good 10 to 15.
10 to 15 pounds, huh?
I used to bring my scale. I don't have it right now. Yeah, what do you think? Oh, she's squirting. You're okay, Mama. You're gonna go home right now.
Yeah.
We just want to look at you and play with you for a little bit.
Go have your kids so we can have more fish, huh? Yeah. Look, guys, it's so nice. Catfish.
Hold on.
All right, fellas, so she about to spawn right now, so we have to release her because, you know, she will have more babies, and we need more fish in this river so they can leave. Oh, woo, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good job, brother.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, guys. Well, guys, it was a good job, man. Well, like I said, we were cleaning over here, the area, you know, because, man, the people leave a lot of mess over there, you know, a lot of trash.
Yeah, look right here. Look at this.
Right here. Look. Look.
This was just recently.
Yeah, recently, yeah. That's it, guys. Well, you know, give it a thumbs up and share this video, and we will come with more videos. You know, probably bass videos or catfish, more catfish. I want to do more catfish, pretty much. You know, but yeah, share this video, guys, and thumbs up. You know, support the channel. Okay, guys. So bye bye. I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.